I was doing business. I was a culinary student actually back then, and then after I worked in few like F&B, I quit because I decided to like continue my business lah, the one that I started during my last semester masa I study. Yeah, and then I was so exhausted to like continue the business, and I stopped doing the business. Tapi I ada join my friend untuk buat this new startup lah actually, but it was slow, and I decide to join this course so that I ada ada backup plan lah in case of anything. I'm looking for kind of job that I can do from home everywhere and flexible, so that I can do other stuff as well. Not just this particular job je.
Right.
So that's the reason lah. And another thing is because I rasa the demand is quite high in the future, and I boleh, if I explore more, I can go to like maybe cloud ke, ataupun apa-apalah, banyak AI ke. My plan is like to join any startup so that I can hustle to gain experience and learn more for maybe 3 years I guess. And then I rasa after I dah be better, excellent in all the basics, maybe I choose my poison lah, then where I wanna go explore first, right? I was a bit ketinggalan because I rasa all the other students were better, as in I think they spend more time than me lah, that's why. And some of them even dah ada all the basics. So far all the explanations been straightforward and short lah, simple, easy to understand.